before we hang it up, obviously you got your like anchor. So we've screwed it to timber that Ross has gone in the roof and put, so that's strong and can handle the weight. You know, the ceiling's not going to come down, the fan's not going to come down. So what I've done, so we've run, we've got our feed that Ross has been running in the roof, with our isolation switch that we install. So yeah, that's been connected to the motor. And then what I'm going to do, so now I'm going to hang this up. Get the cables out of the way. Twist it till it clicks in. There we go. That's in place. So this receiver that we're going to slide into here is for your remote that comes with the fan, and so that remote talks to this receiver and tells the fan what to do. So you know, you got your settings for your speed, light, depending on the fan. Some can have timers, but yeah, it all just talks to this, which is in the fan. Alright, so now we've got the receiver in there. We're gonna join all these cables together. Pretty straightforward, plug in and play pretty much. So they've done all the hard work for us. So once everything's tight and flush, we'll get this little cover on here, which covers the screws. Yeah, so once we've covered those screws, obviously we'll test everything once we're all done. Yeah, and then if we need to, give it a bit of a clean from finger mutts and all that, and then we should be out of here. All job done.